My name is Mr. Lim, and I've been working at Lim Key for over 20 years. I deliver freshly made paos to more than 60 spots around Singapore every day. It makes me happy to bring joy to Singaporeans who start their day with a cup of coffee and one of our paos.
All our vans around Singapore are monitored from headquarters, so in case our drivers face any problems on the road, we can send help immediately. When I first joined Lim Key, we could not imagine how technology and automation has changed the way we work now. Back then, we only had one production line. If there were any delays along the way, we had to wait 3 to 4 hours before we could start producing a different flavor. In 2004, we opened our new factory. We have 3 production lines, so we can fully focus on delivering freshly made paos every morning without any delay between the flavors. Today, about 30 people can produce more than 120,000 paos daily, which is 5 times more than before. So how is that possible? Let's look at the encrusting process, for example. 20 years ago, this was done manually and required up to 10 people to complete the full encrusting process. Today, it is fully automated and we only do minor finishing touches by hand. We dot the paos in different colors to distinguish the flavors. This is still done manually because there is a special technique for this, like an art form. However, if there is a technology to automate this in the future, we would be happy to try it out. A few years ago, we began producing nutritious and wholemeal paos for health-conscious Singaporeans. Today, we continue to carry out R&D to come up with new flavors that everyone can enjoy. In the near future, we hope to export our paos to both regional and international countries. Everyone has a part to play, from the delivery drivers to our business team. And we do it all with a smile because in Singapore, we make food better.